Hey there, Agripreneurs. Today we're rolling up our sleeves and getting to work. We're going to build a DIY hydroponic system on a budget. Perfect for those who are looking to start your hydroponic journey without breaking the bank. Let's go ahead and dive in. First things first, let's gather our materials. For the DIY hydroponic bin system, you'll need a few key items. A storage bin with a lid, some grow lights, an aerator, air stones, net pots, growing medium, and nutrient solution. Check your local hardware store or online for these budget-friendly supplies. Now let's prep our bin. I'm using a 70-gallon tote that you can find at Lowe's that's approximately 4x2 dimension. Using a marker, mark and cut 18 or 22 holes in the lid of the storage bin. The choice of how many holes to cut is yours to make. I provided examples of both for your review. These holes will accommodate the net pots, providing space for your plants to grow. Make sure they're evenly spaced for optimal plant placement. Now spray paint your bin with black spray paint. This will help keep the light out of your water solution, which will help keep the algae from competing with your plants. Now place your lights approximately 18 inches above your plants. In this video, I'm using two Spider Farmer SF600 75-watt lights. The lights are the most expensive part of the build. I got these on sale and they work very well for me. Shop around and try to get the best deal possible. You can also use a window that's south-facing. I'm growing pepper plants in a smaller container with an aerator with natural light from the south-facing window, and they're doing great. Next, let's set up your aeration system. Connect the air stones to the tubing and place at the bottom of the bin in intervals so that the air covers the whole bin. This will ensure that your plants get the oxygen they need for healthy growth. Now, let's add the growing medium to your net pots. Rock wool or coconut coir works well. Place your seeds or seedlings into the net pots, making sure they're snug and secure. These net pots will go into the holes we cut earlier. Now it's time to feed your plants. Mix your nutrient solution according to the instructions and pour it into the bin. This nutrient-rich water will be available for your plants, providing essential elements for plant growth. Now it's all coming together. Place your lid with your net pots onto the storage bin. Make sure the pump and aeration system are functioning properly. And congratulations, you just built your very own DIY hydroponic system. There you have it, a budget-friendly DIY hydroponic system ready to nurture your plants. Remember, this is just the beginning of your hydroponic adventure. Experiment, learn, and watch your plants thrive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more hydroponic tips, and let us know in the comments what you would like to build next. Happy growing, Agripreneurs!